Today, I will show you how to create a pop-up effect in Photoshop. It's awesome for making your subject stand out from the background. Instead of just inserting the picture, let's make it even better. Let's get started. Here I have the blank frame picture. To place our picture later, we need to first create the frame using the frame tool. Use the pen tool to trace around the edges until the rectangle covers all the frames. Then, I will insert the picture and make sure it's slightly larger than the frame so it looks like it's popping out. As always, we need to copy the layer. So, click Ctrl+J, then link the people layer to the people copy layer. Click Shift and link layer. Next, let's create the clipping mask of the people layer. You can press Ctrl+Alt+G. We need to remove the background for the people copy layer. Click Quick Actions and choose the Remove Background. And that's it. This one already popped out from the picture. But to make it more realistic, I'm gonna add some snow pictures. Now, let's add some snow to make it more realistic. Place the snow picture under the snowboard and adjust the opacity. And I will add some snow on the table too. And that's it. You've created a pop-up effect in Photoshop. With this technique, you can turn a basic picture into something cool with just a few steps. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!